We all love a jalapeno popper, but how about a chicken jalapeno popper sandwich on garlic toast?
Jalapeno face!
Come on! Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan.
Hello.
And right over there is the king of pop himself.
Dirty Pop.
There he is.
Pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
So today I'm going to be making you a delicious variation of a jalapeno popper, and a hot minute ago, September of 2020.
No pun intended, jalapeno because it's hot.
I made the elusive, the amazing, the industrious,
The
original jalapeno popper chicken quesadilla that changed the game. And today, I've done a few variations since then, but I've not ever made a chicken sandwich the way I'm going to do today.
Can I burst a bubble?
Sure.
Pretty sure Chili's did it first.
Ah!
Or was it Applebee's?
Somebody did it before me, but it doesn't matter.
No.
I did it first. Here.
In your head.
Anyway, we're not on my set, by the way.
Yeah. Not
That's
here.
not normally where my bell is.
We didn't do it first here.
But we're working through this hurricane business. So just bear with us, okay?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
To start things off, we've got to get some bacon cruising. Now, here's why. Number one, because I'm going to need the bacon fat. And number two, I need to render the bacon fat. Both things. Let's talk about what we see over here.
Chilled bacon.
Look at this. Is what we want. That is what we are looking for. That is what we wanted to render. That's what we wanted.
A lot of words.
A lot of improper words.
I waste time, say lot word when few word do trick.
We've got chicken cutlets, buddy.
You are the cutlet king of Tulsa.
The cutlet king of Tulsa or
Yeah.
Chicago.
That too.
Absolutely. Cutlets are fun, guys. You've seen me use them 100 times. If this is your first time watching the show,
It's gonna be more than 100.
Actually, probably is.
Yeah. How many episodes do you have on this channel now?
230?
Really?
Yeah. Dude, the jalapeno popper quesadilla, that was the one where I pretty much put it in the face of everybody that's like, oh God, you take so long and you're just dragging it on and blah, blah, blah. And we did it in like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
Can we
We're
do that today?
Well, we could, but we're not going to.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Also got a little bit of smoked paprika. We're gonna do this on both sides.
Paprika.
Let's head over to our griddle, which I've had preheating on medium, low.
And the bacon.
Like I said, we've got this rendered fat that is money
Glorious.
in the bank. Let's get going down here. Now, cutlets are beautiful because they cook pretty quick, and because of how quick they cook, you can actually leverage them to be still juicy, so you're not drying them out. It's a weird thing. Now, while those are cruising, you know what?
What? It's time.
We're gonna hold the phone for a second.
Okay.
You gotta ring it and bring it.
Hold the dial tone. Low.
I want.
That's a premature ringage.
How
Phantom,
dare he?
Phantom Bell.
Phantom Bell. All right.
Who rang that bell?
All right. So before we go to this next step, I'm gonna bring in someone. I need an expert in the panel.
Okay, I'm holding the camera, but
I was
I'll put
referring
it down.
to Andy. Hey,
Whoa.
come over here, Andy.
who?
Yeah.
Who's this?
This, everybody, if you don't know, is Andy.
Hello?
Welcome to the show for the first time.
Yeah, I'm not
Hello.
used to this at all. I don't know what's going on.
All right, so typically in a jalapeno popper, you've got your cream cheese, you've got jalapenos, obviously. You got some seasonings and crushed bacon. I was considering doing the cream cheese, the jalapenos. I'm actually going to pivot and do some pickled jalapenos as well,
Okay.
various seasonings. But then I was thinking on the toast, do that. And then I was going to do just some actual, like large chunks of bacon as opposed to having it in
the
the
thing?
cream cheese. Should we go with the original or do we pivot?
No, let's pivot.
Okay, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We've got to pivot. Thank you, sir.
We've got to pivot.
We
got to pivot.
We got dots in here.
Nice hat.
See, nobody cares.
Ah! Dude, that was so.
I really wasn't prepared for this.
We weren't either.
Keep going.
That's fine. We can
I know, I
take it.
really wasn't prepared for this.
If only someone.
If only someone would help me. Nope. You're on your own, pal.
I got you. You know in the scene when they're in the car and the first time that we hear the T-Rex, you know that
Oh,
big
yeah.
boom?
The water.
The water. The way they got that water is there was the cup that was set on the dashboard, but they rigged it where underneath the dashboard to get the perfect vibration look, because they tried lots of things, they had a large cable, and they pulled it and snapped it, and it hit, and it gave that perfect vibration.
No
I think
way.
I already used that factor.
I don't know that you did. I'm pretty sure if you did, then I told you about that. Okay, God, Lee. Thank you for ending our misery.
Shh, darling. Trust me.
God's sake.
It's for the best.
With all that time that we wasted, my chicken, I believe, is ready to be flipped. Oh, look at that.
Man, it's so beautiful.
Look at that
It's almost
crushed-
prehistoric.
All right.
Let's try them.
Someone's
Are those heavy?
Yeah.
Then they're expensive. Put them back.
whipped cream cheese is the way to
True.
go in this scenario. You could use the original. It's all good. Just let it sit out for a little bit. That way it has time to warm up.
And the
And
pro tip here with the whipped is that things mix in a lot better.
what way?
The whipped.
Where do you get off? We're gonna do some pickled jalapeno because I like the acidity. I'm gonna do a little bit of that juice as well.
Zang.
Exactly, not too much because we do have some other components that we're gonna be getting to. Some hatch chili and
Okay.
cheddar. We've also got some smoked paprika because we're gonna be compounding those flavors,
Wow.
having a lot of fun
Everything
with it.
right into the whipped cream.
As a matter of
The
fact,
whipped cream cheese.
yes it is. Got some garlic powder. Now, if you actually really wanted to, you could just go
You do.
straight pickled jalapenos.
You want the crunch though, wouldn't you miss out on the fresh?
You would miss out on the fresh, and I don't think that we should miss out on the fresh. Andy, should we miss out on the fresh?
Nope.
No, we pivot on some things,
No.
but we stick to the stick to the classics.
The whipped
It's like
is
Subway.
like creamy.
Why?
Why?
Eat fresh.
Oh, that wasn't very funny.
It's old. So the joke's so old.
Okay, let's
Historic.
high five. Dice up your jalapenos. Definitely fresh is the way to go.
I like the hot. It's a jalapeno popper original.
You got to get rid of the seeds and the pith. The pith can be a little bitter. I just prefer
That's where all
it.
the heat is.
So with all those components mixed up, we're also going to add some sharp cheddar cheese blend.
Oh, right into the
Actually,
whipped,
it's not sharp.
whipped cream cheese.
It's just a regular. I was lying. It's a 3 cheddar cheese blend.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's right there in the bowl. Now, here's the thing.
What?
We need to heat this up. You got to get hot. And here's how we're gonna do that.
Okay.
So
I believe the word is caliente.
sure. That's
See.
what it is.
In fuego.
See?
There he is.
Boom shagalaga.
Well, okay.
Gonna get this guy.
Should I be walking over there? Because I don't know what you're doing.
You don't have to walk.
You're
over
saying
there.
like single. Oh, I'll just. You know what? I'm just gonna walk with
Get
you.
on over here. We're gonna spoon this into here, and I want to heat this up because I want that cheese and the cream to have a chance to kind of get all extra ooey
What are we making? again?
and gooey. Jalapeno popper chicken sandwiches.
Okay.
Quesadillas.
Sandwiches. I already made the quesadilla.
Sandwiches.
Quesadilla.
Yeah, I said I made a quesadilla in 2020.
But if you thought that,
You thinking you weren't to thought that?
Hey, fellas, who's the goose? Me.
Look, we need a reset. Let's ring it and bring it.
okay,
Right back here. There it is.
starting to like that more and more.
Yeah.
good.
We'll be back in a second. So to assist our cheese in melting, because we need it ooey and gooey, I'm going to cover this with a dome. Definitely a pro move if you can. I think it's just going to speed up the process with a little bit of water, steam it up. Now while that's cruising, I've got the magic maker here. The money in the bank. We've got some garlic Texas toast.
I guess.
Dude,
You could make your own.
you could, but
You could make
why
your own.
when it's there's no better. This is the best.
I don't know. I think we could do it better on our own.
I don't know. While that's toasting, let's go ahead and pull our cheese. I got this little board with the cast iron pan. This
It
is
really did
ideal.
get melty.
Dude, why
It's
would you
because
even doubt it?
It was whipped.
Okay,
I was just waiting.
that's
for
a nice circle back. Well done. So the cheese is looking fantastic. As I was thinking about this sandwich, I thought about, like, we've got a lot of very savory flavors. It can be a little heavy. I thought brighten it up a little bit with some tomato and some lettuce. So I've got some Roma tomatoes, thinly sliced, dude.
it. So we're basically
I love-
making a BLT then.
Kind of, but with buffalo chicken and jalapeno cheese. So no.
So it's a BLT whipped C with B.
You sure about that?
No.
No. On top of those tomatoes, we've got our chicken that's about to be tossed in buffalo.
What?
Yep. We gotta have
What?
buffalo sauce, man. Mix it all up. Get it on the board if you want. You can do it on the griddle if you want, but our chicken was steaming hot. This is the money maker. So let's get our bread off. We've got perfect toasting on both sides. So we've got our garlic toast. We've got lettuce, our tomato, a little bit of salt on the tomatoes. And on top of that, we've got this crispy bacon, which you could have put in the cheese,
So
but you
BLT
didn't.
right now, we're winning. BLT
Technically
and garlic
BLT
bread.
right now. But then on top of that, we've got some delicious sliced up buffalo
chicken BLT on garlic bread. We're winning.
And then on top of that, we've got the jalapeno popper cheese cream mixture
BLT
thing.
with buffalo chicken and jalapeno popper.
And then we
thing.
top it off with our other garlic toast, and there you
How
go.
are you going to eat that?
That's
how
the
could you
that's the
possibly-
real thing. I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna eat
We're
this.
going to find out.
So I think the best option is to cut it.
Go like a pig trough.
What
Just-
is-
Like what? One more time?
Or you can cut it. I'm not
I
doing
think
it a
we
third
should
time.
cut it.
Okay.
I think
We're
we should cut
gentlemen.
it. That's right.
We're gentlemen.
All right. Let's see what's going on here.
Come on.
Okay. Wow. Dude. What?
Honestly, I said a second ago, individually, all of these things worked together.
This is bonkers. But here we go.
Great cartoon.
Okay. I was waiting for more heat.
I told you should have let the seeds in, dude.
It's just the right amount of heat.
Nice pivot.
This is a monster sandwich.
Yeah.
It's a heartburn special. It's a cardiac arrest, like, menu item that you've got to try.
Specialty treat.
You got to try it. Let me know how I did. Jalapeno popper, like the
BLT.
world of jalapeno poppers. Like
What
we've
did we call
explored a
it?
lot. What?
What do we call it?
A jalapeno popper buffalo chicken sandwich.
Oh,
That's why I didn't know that.
it's great.
Leave it in the comments below. How'd I do? Would you try it? Did I win? Did I up?
Win your heart?
Did I up my game of the original jalapeno popper chicken quesadilla? I don't know.
Is it better than Chili's?
Yes. Leave it
Better
in the
than
comments.
Applebee's?
Who goes to Applebee's anymore?
Anybody?
No.
Oh.
It's time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, we did it. We made it. Even though we're not on our
Barely.
original set, we made it to comments of the week somehow. We figured it
I
out.
don't know how we did it.
We trudged along. We're like 1883, headed up to Oregon.
Like going through prehistoric times in a Jeep.
I already changed that shirt, so.
Oh man, what a loser! So this comes in from D Pope Grace.
No, it's DePope.
It is D Pope. That's makes so much more sense than what I just said. Says, love the movie clips, super fun dish, adult sloppy joes. Let's keep Ethan. He pulled Bruce from the swamp. Speaking of, will someone
True.
check on Bruce? He's cooking some fun but non-Cajun dishes. Time for another Louisiana trip. You couldn't be more right. We're headed there in 2 weeks, which is probably already that time.
We're probably there.
We're
as
in
you're
the
watching.
future as we speak.
We've come home
We're
from
on-
the trip.
It was a really great
Not
trip.
now, but
We
soon.
filmed a really, really great amount of
By the time
content.
this comes out, we'll have been back.
Yeah.
We had a great time.
That all made sense.
Bruce is excited. So thank you.
To
We'll
Bruce.
keep Ethan.
To
and we'll
Bruce.
keep and we'll keep Bruce. Okay, this is from Jacob Turner.
Hey, Jacob.
Jacob says, I think the more people complain about the clips, the more clips we get.
Nah.
I bet.
You're
Expecting something clever.
Well, see you later.
Keep on complaining. Keep
Well?
on complaining.
Oh,
Man, we're on a roll here. All right, this is from EKMG Watts.
it's
Says-
MGK's cousin.
That's right. Says, just gotta say for all the haters, the tagline is, we cook and
True.
we...
True.
Yes. If that, and if you didn't know, it's what we quote. If that doesn't appeal to you, what the heck are you even doing here? Go find a boring cooking show like Nate's.
Whoa. I don't
Just
like where it's
kidding.
going.
Love you guys and keep
All
it
right.
up. Never get enough of the quotes and the clips. All right.
All right, MG Kelly.
EKJMG Kelly. Oh, Ethan's had a long day. Ethan's
New
had a
bell, and I'm
long,
using my left
long
hand instead of my
day.
right.
Him's just a sad widow.
That was good.
Thank you, sir. Jeremiah Dominguez.
Hello, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah says,
Gray. The Jody Domingue Gray gang.
Jeremiah says the creativity with the food and the comments and the commentary are always amazing. Keep it up. We've got some nice ones.
I know. I just added one. I didn't know that's what they were gonna say.
I know. That's what's funny about it.
Oh.
Jeremiah. He had a bullfrog.
Bad and down.
He was a mighty good friend of mine. But I never understood a single word he said.
But it makes some really fine wine. Singing joy to the world. All the boys and girls.
I don't.
Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea.
Ethan.
Joy to you and you suck.
What is that?
It's a song.
No.
And on that note, that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. It's not my normal set, but I appreciate you guys being patient while we build out the new one. Hurricanes are no fun.
Well, it's kind of fun until they got bad.
Are they?
No, it was no fun.
They're not fun.
Mm-mm.
They're not fun. But we made it. If right over here, imagine there's an OG board. Right over here, imagine there's shirts and all kinds of fun. Matt, right over here, my nephew, acts like a freaking idiot, and okay, it was decent. Either way, go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of other stuff. Go to griddlenation.com for all kinds of swag, shirts, stickers, everything fun. But remember, at the end of the day, this, my friends, is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And quote.
That's right. We'll see you guys next week.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First